Panasonic Industry presents the robust and versatile HM series touch panels. Alongside the robust and highly capable human-machine interfaces, we focused not only on the development of the touch panels itself, but made sure that the corresponding mountings render the HM series a comprehensive solution.
The HMS 700 series combines the advantages of two worlds. They are high-end devices for demanding IoT applications that, despite its wide range of features, does not compromise on ruggedness. The logical visualization of the processes and data on the display is essential for the system's intuitive and error-free operation and the production itself. Thanks to the web server architecture of the latest HMI from Panasonic Industry, the operator has a wide range of options for controlling and remote monitoring of the machines. The ability to capture, store, and share data in higher-level structures makes the HM series the perfect choice for integrating systems across the entire enterprise. To fit into almost every area of operation, Panasonic Industry provides a variety of mountings, from tube attachments, table stands, multi-purpose mountings, visa, wall, or gooseneck mountings.
The HM series unites the handling of consumer products like tablets with the tough industrial-grade demands. The complete encapsulation enables the HMI to be installed directly in the process under challenging environmental conditions.
Panasonic Industry.